All right, so we got the rock up with the car jack. All we gotta do is flip it. So find something else then to get under there. Maybe a rock like that, you know, or like that. Just stand it right up. We can lower it easy, so it won't, it's not gonna hit it. It just has to be a holder. Is that gonna do it?
No, it's just again, trying to get to
Okay. You can build with the rocks, build a little. There we go. Yeah. All right, let's see if that gives us a little more. All right, you want to go get those pieces out?
Not particularly because of that.
Why not?
Because it's about to fall.
That's what you think. Use the ratchet to, yeah, just.
I don't want to get stuck. Cut this part out.
All right, can you? I don't know, that'll be good. So we can get this around the top. We can probably pull it up and maybe flip it a little bit.
Just say stop.
Yeah, just hold what you got. Yeah, hold. Well, I want to be able to reset to get more height. Am I going to be able to do that?
I don't think so.
What do I need?
I just don't think it's gonna work. I think it's just gonna turn it around. It's gonna flip around and not up.
Yeah. Yeah, it has no edge right here, so that is a weak spot, that's for sure. I'm gonna put a rock here. All right, so we need to keep building. So, oh yeah, we build a. We just need to put a holder stand. All right, you can see it a little bit.
This is probably
Try it. Sure it is.
the side is lower than that.
There you go.
It's probably,
All right, hold up.
oh,
You're almost there. Okay. Okay. Now I'm just gonna. We're just gonna when it goes, we're just gonna go. So it won't hit you. But you know, we're not gonna stop. All right, go ahead. I might do it. Can you hold that board out there? Go ahead.
just keep going until it flips.
It's not dangerous.
Oh, it's looking amazing. It's flipping a rock.
That first set was pretty good. We didn't lose. Boom. Oh, we made the right choice. Look at that. That's a great side. It's a much better side.
So let's just